Hey, this is Taylor here with Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Ford F550 extended cab, four-wheel drive, 125,000 miles. It's got an 11-foot fiberglass bed on it, Autocrane 5005H full hydraulic, with a wireless factory remote, Miller Blue Star 185 welder, hydraulic compressor, and 3 drawer packs in it. Super nice truck, super clean. It's got 2 new steer tires on it. This truck spent its life down in Georgia. There's no rust whatsoever on it. Again, it is a four-wheel drive, XL trim with power locks, power windows, and cruise control. No rear seats in the truck. The goal of these videos is to give you an up-close personal look at the truck. So if there's anything you want to see more pictures, videos, or need more information on, feel free to call or text anytime at 804-716-8487. Towards the end of the video, I'll do a cold start, a drive, and a crane demo. So if that's what you're looking for, feel free to skip ahead. It is a fiberglass service bed, 11 foot in length. All the doors close, latch, and seal as they should. Really well-built bed here. You got your torch compartment here in the front with your bottle racks, storage there. And these are very nice floor-to-ceiling drawers. All of them slide and latch as they should. Nice shelving throughout on this body. This is your crane compartment here. Do have a hydraulic tool circuit, hydraulic outriggers, factory wireless remote, workbench rear bumper. Does have a heavy-duty hitch. Truck also has a rear view camera. Does work. This whole bed cover retracts back. You can take it off if you like, or you can have this additional dry and secure storage in the bed. Kind of hard to do that one-handed. There we go. Blue Star 185 welder with leads. The leads. And another drawer pack here. Tons of storage in this bed. Cab high bins all the way down both sides, which is super nice. Just a lot of storage space all the way around. And your last set of drawers over here. It's a 5,000-pound max lifting capacity crane, 20'6" max boom reach. Again, it is full hydraulic. The Boss BA 440 hydraulic compressor. All the lights and strobes work on the truck as well. Nice laptop mount there. All right, let's get into the demonstration video.